we will be start the third chapter of our syllabus, and the third chapter of our syllabus is the LCM and HCF. In a previous two standard, you will be learn and discuss about the some basic concept of the LCM and the HCF. We just only recall them, and by using we will be start that standard concept. So what is meant by HCF and what is meant by LCF? So the long form of the HCF, long form of the HCF is the highest common factor. Highest common factor. So the highest common factor, how we can find out the highest common factor of a given two numbers or the pair of the two numbers? It is so easy. We just only recall and we just only studied about in details, more in details about the long form of the LCM. The long form of the LCM is the lowest common multiples. The lowest common multiples. The long form of the HCF is the highest common factor, and the long form of the LCM is the lowest common multiples. So we just only focusing about only a one word, factor. What is meant by factor? You will be studied about the process, mathematical process of the multiplication and the mathematical process of the division. In a mathematical process multiplication, you will be studied when you will be multiply the two whole numbers, you will be get the answer is also the whole numbers. That means that whole numbers are come to the product of the two whole number. And in a division process, you will be studied about when the any one whole number is can be get divided to the any other whole numbers. Then the division process can be get happen, and when at the final step you will be get the zero is their remainder. So we just only take it about the factor. What is meant by factor? What is meant by factor? The factor means when the any two whole number is multiplied, when the any two whole numbers is multiplied, we get the answer. We get the answer. The number is whole number. The number is whole number. So that two numbers is called as the factor of that whole number. So let us we get the example. The example is when we have multiplied 3 and the 4. When we have multiplied 3 and 4. 3 and 4 both are the whole numbers. And when we have multiplied one to each other, we get the answer 12. That means 12 is the product of 3 and 4. We can write down 12 is the product of 3 and 4. That means 3 and 4 is the product of 12. 3 and 4, that means 3 and 4 is the factor of 12. We can write down, therefore 3 and 4 is the factor of 12. 3 and 4 is the factor of 12. Again we can be see what is the division process. When we will be divide 12 by to the 3 or when we can be divide 12 by to the 4. At that time the division process are get completed and the remainder 0 will be come out. Let us now discuss in more details. Or when we can be divide the 12 by to the 3, then in the row of the 3 the 12s are the count. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. 12 minus 12, 0. The remainder will becomes in a 0 for the division process. Or in the another hand, when we can be divide the 12 by to the 4, in the row of the 4, 12 as the count. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are 12, 0, 0. That means in a both division we can be see the remainder is a 0 and that is why we can be say about it 3 and 4 is the factor of 12. So in this way we can easily find out the factor of the any one number. The factor is so easy when we can be get the product of the any two numbers. That two numbers is called as the factor of the product. We get the another examples. The second example we can be get 5 is multiplied to the 7. So when the 5 is multiplied to the 7, we get the answer is the 35. So 35 is the product of 35 is the product of 5 and 7. So we can write down therefore 5 and 7 is the factor of 35. So in this way we can be easily find out the factor of the any one numbers. So after the next we can get the highest common factor and that highest common factor of the any two numbers is called as the HCF of that two numbers. So HCF is can be get easily find out when we can be get the factor of that number. The next point is in a previous chapter we will be learn the some important basic concept. In that basic concept we can be learn the definition of the natural number, the definition of the whole number, the definition of the rational number, all over etc. In that chapter we can be learn the definition of the co-prime number. The definition of the co-prime number. So what is the definition of the co-prime number? So we just only think about the definition of the prime number. The numbers is can be get divided himself or by to the 1. That number is called as the prime number. So what is meant by co-prime number? Where we can find out the factor of that numbers and according to that factor we can be say about it. It is the co-prime number. So we can be get the factor of the 10. So what is the factor of the 10? That means on which number the 10 are get divided and for that division process the remainders are come 0 at the last step. When we can be divide the 10 by to the 1, when we can be divide the 10 by to the 2, when we can be divide the 10 by to the 5 and when we can divide the 10 by to the 10. At that 4 numbers, when we can be divide the 10, we can be see that the remainders are come 0 at the last step. And then after, we can be get the number 21. We can be get the number 21. So in that 21, which numbers are get divided to the 21 and we can be get the remainder is a 0. That means in which number row the 21s are the come. So the number is the first one. Then after that the 21s are come in a row of the 3. 21s are come in a row of the 7. And the 21s are come in the row of the 20. So we can get the 1, 2, 5, 10. These are the factor of the 10. 1, 3, 7, 21. These are the factor of the 21. So in that 4 all factors, which factor is the common? Yes, obviously 1 is the factor is the common, and that is why we can say about it 10 and the 21. These are the co-prime number. 10 and 21 are the co-prime number. We can get the common factor is the 1. When we can get the factor of the 10 and the 20, so we get the common factor is the 1. We get the another example. So the another example is the 15. What is the factor of the 15? In which number row 15 are the come? So the 1, then after them 3, then after them 5, and then after them the 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. In the both the number row 15 are the come, and the second one is the 16. So in which number row 16 are the come? So the 1, then after them 2, then after them 4, then after them 8, and then after them the 16. So which one is the common? We can be seeing the 1 are the common, and that is why we can be write down again the common factor is 1. We get the third example. So the third example, we get the number is the 18. We get the number is the 18. So in a 18, the 18 are get divided by to the 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and the 18. All that number row, the 18 are the come, and the another number is the 35. So in the 35, the 35 are get divided by to the 1. After the next, 35 are come in a row of the 5. The 35 are come in a row of the 7. And then after them finally, the 35 are come in a row of the 35. So which factor is the common one? We can see again, the 1 is the common factor. Therefore, common factor is 1. So in both example, we can see that the common factor is the 1, and that is why we get the definition of the co-prime number is when we get the common factor is only one of a given two number. That numbers are called co-prime number. That number are called co-prime number. When we get the factor of the given two numbers, and in that factor, when we have get the 1 is a common factor, that numbers is called as the co-prime number. So we can get the different examples of the co-prime number. The twin prime number. So what is meant by twin prime number? we can get the definition of the co-prime number. So we have get the another example of the co-prime number. Example of co-prime number. So the first example is the 3. So the first example is the 3. In that 3, we can begin the common factor is the 1 and the 3. Sorry, the factor of the 3 is the 1 and 3. And the 5. The common factor is the factor is the 1 and 5. Who is the common one? The 1 is the common one. The common factor is 1. The common factor is 1. So, how we can say about it? It is a twin co-prime number, where we can get the difference between them and the difference between them is 2. The difference between them is the 2. That means 5 minus 3 is a 2. And that is why we can say about it. It is the twin prime number. We get the another example. So the another example is the 7. The another example is the 7. The factor of the 7 is the 1 and 7. And the 9. The factor of the 9 is the 1, 3 and 9. So, which factor is the common one? 1 is the common. We can write down again. The common factor is 1 and the difference between them is 2. The difference between them is a 2. We get another third example. So in the third example, we get 22. The 22 factor of the 22 is the 1, 2, 11 and 20. And then after that, we get the example the 23. 23. The factor of the 23 is the 1 and directly to the 23. The common factor is the 1. The common factor is 1 and the difference between them is, what is the difference between them? Only the 1. The difference between them is the only the 1. You can say about it. So it is a co-prime number, but we can study it the twin prime number. So in a co-prime number, where we can be seeing the difference between them is the 2. That co-prime number is called as the twin prime number. It is only the co-prime number. That number we have never said about it the twin prime number, because of the difference between them is only the 1. And the important thing is that where we can be see the difference between two co-prime number is a 2. That co-prime number is called as the twin prime number. So we can get the definition of the twin prime number is when the difference between co-prime number, when the difference between co-prime is 2, that numbers are called twin prime number. Are called twin prime number. When the difference between co-prime number is a 2, that number is called as the twin prime number. According to that definitions, we will see the example. In that example, 3 and 5 is called as the twin prime number. Example 3 and 5. So why did we call the 3 and 5 is a twin prime number? Because of it is the common factor is the 1 and the difference between them is only 2. But in the third example, 22 and 23, we will be seeing the common factor is the 1, but the difference between them is never 2, and that is why 22 and 23 is not the twin prime number. Second one, 7 and 9. 7 and 9. It is also the twin prime number because of the common factor is the 1 and the difference between them is the 2. In this way, we will be get the twin prime number. So after the next, we will be start the practice set. So in the practice set number 10, the first example is which number is a neither a prime nor a composite number. Which number? Prime number means what? The number can be divided by himself and the one only, or the numbers which is come in a row of the himself, that number is called as the prime number. And the composite number, the numbers is can be get divided by the many multiples, or the numbers are get come in a row of the many numbers, that number is called as the composite number. But in all of the number, just only the one is that numbers, they are not come in a row of the any one number. We will be see them, the row will be start from to the number 2. The row will be start from to the number 2, and that is why we will be saying 1 is the neither a prime nor a composite number. So the question number 2. In that question number 2, we will be seeing we get the some pairs, and in that pairs we can find out then which pair is a co-prime number. Which pair is the co-prime number? According to the definition of the co-prime number, we will be seeing the common factor is the 1. That pair number is called as the co-prime number. So we get the first example. In that first example, we see that the number is the 8 and 14. So it is 8 and 14 is the co-prime number. So we get the factor of the 8. So what is the factor of the 8? 1. After the next 2. After the next 4. And after the next 8. That means the 8 will become in the row of the number 1, 2, 8, 4 and 8. Then after that, the 14. The 14 can be get divided by to the numbers 1. Then after them 2. Then after them 7. And then after them the 14. The 14 must be get divided by to the number 1, 2, 7 and 14. So we get the many number of the factor of the 8 and the many number of the factor of the 14. So which one is the common in a both factor? We can see the 1 is the common and 2 is the common. So the common factor, therefore common factor is 1 and 2. According to the definition of the co-prime number, we will be seeing the common factor is only 1 But in here we will be seeing the common factor is the 1 and 2. So therefore 8 and 14 is never a co-prime number. Therefore 8, 14 is not a co-prime number. 8 and 14 is not a co-prime number. We get another examples. In another example, we will be seeing 4 and 5. So let us get the factor of the 4. In which numbers the 4 can be get divided completely? 1, 2 and the 4. 1, 2 and 4. These three numbers is get completely divided to the 4, and for that division we will be seeing the remainder is the 0. Then the 5. So in a 5 we can be seeing the divisor is a 1 and 5. When we can be get the factor of the 4 and 5 and find out which one is the common, we can be seeing the 1 is the common. Therefore common factor is 1, and according to the definition of the co-prime number we can be seeing it is the co-prime number. Therefore 4, 5 is a co-prime number. According to the definitions we can be seeing 4, 5 is the co-prime number. In this way, in the second example we can be solve all the given examples. We get the another one examples. In that example is the example number 4 is 27 and the 15. 27 and 15. We get the divisor of the 27. How many divisor of the 27? So the first divisor is the 1. After the next is a 3. After the next is a 9. And after the next is a 27. That means 1, 3, 9, 27. When all that numbers are get divided to the 27, we get the remainder is the 0. And then after them the 15. The 15 are also get divided by to the 1, 3, 5 and the 15. When we can we see the common factors, the common factor is the 1 and the 3. We can write down therefore common factor is 1 and 3. So according to the definition of the co-prime number, we will be seeing the only one is not a common factor, the 3 is also common factor, and that is why 27 and 15 is not a co-prime number. Therefore 27 and 15 is not a co-prime number. So in this way we will be find out which one is a co-prime number or which is not a co-prime number. Remaining examples you will be solved at your home for yourself. It is so easy because of you can be find out how many prime numbers in between them, how many twins prime number in between them, and the pair of the prime numbers in between them you can be easily find out. Then you can be write down in your notebooks and you will be solve the remaining examples for yourself. Best luck.